I contacted a makeup artist here in Enugu, and I was told home service is 40 to 50,000. 40 to 50,000. Hi guys, good morning. Ooh, so yeah, it's morning here. It's the morning of the wedding day, and Mama is up already. Okay, as a mom with kids, I'm up. It's currently 6:30. It's currently 6:33 a.m. and my kids are still sleeping. I just have to start with myself because I don't want to be the only one every other person will be waiting for. So yeah, I want to start with stretching my hair. You guys, I would have taken my hairs for revamping, but things are crazily expensive right now. Like, everything is expensive right now. Revamping of hair and styling of hair, you're talking about 10 to 15. What is 10? 15 to 20k to revamp and style hair. So what I did was I had to go buy products myself. Yeah, so I had to go get some hair products for styling. I got this hair straightener. I even got what do you call it now? I even got let me keep this thing properly so that nothing falls and breaks. I even got some styling tools in this bag. You can see the coiler, okay? You can see the heat, what they call it, heat protectant. And I have some rollers. In fact, I got everything for styling of hair. I think I shot a video on the day I went to buy these hair products. Yeah, I will link it in the description box, okay, once it's up. You guys, things are crazy right now. So you have to learn how to DIY yourself. What did I just say? You have to learn how to do some certain things yourself with the way Nigerian economy is going. So yeah, and I wanted to take this hair to a professional stylist, but man, the money they are calling for me is on the high side. So I'll be doing this. So you guys, as you can see, I'm done styling my bone straight hair. See the closure part. This is a Kim K closure. Okay, it's so smooth. Let me show you guys. See how smooth it is, and so sleeky. See? Oh, I wish I came with my mannequin, but that would have been too much of load. I don't know if you can hear in the background, my kids are already up, so I need to go give them breakfast now. This is 8 a.m. This is 8 a.m. okay? It took me time to get this done because I don't have my mannequin with me. I don't have my tripod with me, but I did a good job. I did a good job. See how sleek, see how straight it looks now. So I'm gonna keep this where the kids will not get to it. I'll probably have to keep it here. So you guys, these are the 3 products I use: the stick wax, the oil, and the heat protectant, and my straightener. So yeah, DIY, do it yourself. My hair is gonna slay. Now it's time to attend to my kids. Once I'm done with them, I'll come back to do my makeup. So they are awake. Hi girls.
Hi.
Say good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Say hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Hey little man, you are awake? It's time for you to eat your food. Ah. Hey guys.
Hey, mommy. Hey, mom.
Sorry, ma, what do you want for breakfast?
Cereals.
Cereals. Arabella, what do you want?
Cereal.
You want cereals? What do you want for breakfast? Hey, 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 hey. Hey.
He wants cereals.
He wants cereals. Little man, you want cereals? You guys, a mother's job never ends. I mean, we are out of our comfort zone. What I mean by that is, obviously, we're in a hotel, we're not in our home. And here I am, trying to fix breakfast for my kids, trying to make everyone happy. If a mother does not stand up to work, nothing works in the home. So mothers are like work clock. Yeah, we have to work to make sure everybody is comfortable, to make sure everybody is happy, if that makes sense. Okay, so I made sure I, packed the cereals that my kids love from our home. If you guys saw the travel vlog from Port Harcourt to Imo State, I'm sure you must have come across when I was packing the stuffs for my kids. Food. Let me make his food for him. I need to fix my nails. Once I'm done bathing Didi, I'll start fixing my nails. You need to take another one from that place.
Big.
So you guys, by the time I got done settling everyone, I fed my baby. My other kids obviously had their breakfast. When baby slept off, I rushed to the bathroom to pack up my toiletries. I used them earlier on. I'd already taken my bath before I started styling my hair. So now I'm back in the bathroom to do my makeup by myself. So you guys, I'm also going to be doing my makeup by myself. I contacted a makeup artist here in Enugu, and I was told home service is 40 to 50,000. 40 to 50,000. See, I'm not against any business person's pricing. If you think that's what you're worth, is okay. But truth be told, there are some certain things I can't spend some crazy amounts for. Don't get me wrong, this is me, okay? I budgeted for 20 to 30k at most, considering the fact that things are expensive right now. But 40 to 50k, you guys, I'm not really much of a makeup person, but with the way things are going, hey, I'm gonna be sleeping on YouTube, okay, watching how to do pro makeup on myself. So once I get back to Port Harcourt, it's either 50k they called for me for home service makeup. I will use it and go and buy some more makeup products to add to my makeup. Yes, I will go, I will have to use that money, that 50k. It's not like I don't have it, I have it, but I can't use it. See, there are some things I can't spend money on. Makeup that I will come back and wash it off. If I'm spending 50k on a shoe, I'll wear the shoe over and over. If I'm spending 50k for a handbag, I know I'm going to be carrying a handbag for some time, but not makeup that I will come back and wash off. Don't get me wrong, this is just me, okay? Like I said, there are some things I can't spend some certain amount of money on. Like I said earlier, I will use that 50k and go and buy more makeup products that I don't have and add here. Okay, so yeah, these are my accessory. So guys, with all of that being said, let me quickly show you guys the lovely outfit my girls would be wearing. You guys, these dresses are beautiful. They are given. I love see their lovely shoes now. Mommy the Becky, I be Becky the mommy. My darlings, I love kids looking lovely. I love kids looking cute, if that makes sense. I'm not that kind of mama that will look good and my kids will not look good, never. And I'm not that kind of mama that her kids will look good and I will not look put together. Not lie. Not Becky, okay? I put so much conscious effort in making sure that motherhood does not drain me drastically. Even if I have days when, I feel like motherhood is weighing down on me, but I try as much as possible, to put myself together and still be that baby girl, okay? Still be that baby girl despite being a mama. So my darlings, I've done the simple makeup that I can do and I've styled my hair all by myself. So yeah, we are ready to go. But before we go, please take one more good look at my babies. Aren't they looking cute? And isn't this mama looking lovely? Becky the mommy. Yes, I couldn't fix my nails because of time, but hey, this mama is beautiful. This mama is beautiful. Becky the mommy of 3 lovely kids. But I must say this to you, all my darlings, it is not easy hanging out with children. I mean, with all of this beauty, see me now still carrying out my motherhood duty. So my darlings, if you're not a Nigerian watching me, just know this: there is no party like a Nigerian party, both home and abroad. Any Nigerian party, you must see surplus food. And of course, you must see Nigerian party jollof rice. My darlings, Nigerian food is flavorful and very, very delicious. Now, as a mama, back to my motherhood. As a mama, I made sure my kids had, good time. And of course, they ate and ate and ate. And we all enjoyed the party. Now it is time for us to go back home to Port Harcourt. Okay guys, so we're ready to leave Enugu now and we're heading to Port Harcourt. You guys, it took me a whole lot to pack yesterday night, but yeah, as a mom that is organized, I was able to pack all our things yesterday, and it's 10 a.m. right now. 10 a.m. and to Port Harcourt should be like about 4 to 5 hours. Man, we're about to hit the road back to Port Harcourt. Whew, I'm so glad that what we came for yesterday was successful. The wedding was successful. I wish the couple a blissful, beautiful marriage life. I wish them a happy marriage life, okay? Forever, happily ever after. Mama, can you say hello to the camera? Arabella, leave cartoon. Say hello to the camera. Welcome to Port Harcourt traffic.